It's a little after 5:30. Little mouse running around. This guy, girl, didn't mean to misgender you, has not left. So I made a snake wrangling tool out of a piece of wire and pipe. It's cold. She's not gonna move around a bunch, so we got a container to put her in. Let's see if we can safely wrangle her. She shouldn't put up too much of a fight. Oh, even I'm shivering. It's cold enough out here. Supposed to put her head in, be a little bit stubborn. I don't blame her. The other snake took off last night. I left it alone. She let it do its thing, but it's almost sunrise and I've got work to do and I can't do that with her around.